Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these cubes from Dollar Tree as well as these stickers from Amazon. I took 3 wooden cubes and painted them with vintage white acrylic paint by Folkart, giving them full coverage. Next I'm taking the Snowman face stickers I get from Amazon, and some of them I have to trim because they're connected and I didn't want that. So once I cut them, I placed one face on each cube. Next, I'm taking 2 8-inch pieces of chunky wood I also got from Dollar Tree, using a combination of wood glue and hot glue to glue them together. And I painted that with ink color chalk paint by Waverly. And then I'm taking this stencil and pixie spray, both from Amazon. I spray the pixie spray on the back of the stencil. It gives it a light tack to keep it into place. I place down one word at a time, stenciling on antique white acrylic paint again, giving that 2 coats. Once I have the 2 coats on there and dry, I take this extreme glitter in the color hologram and brush that on each of the letters. So I'm doing the let and snow part first to get the spacing I wanted correctly, and then do it in between those just to get that evenly spaced. Again, doing the 2 coats of paint and then the glitter on top. Once I'm done, I touch up the gaps left by the stencil, then place down the cubes with the snowman faces on top, and then hot glue those into place. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.